At the 80/20 Institute, we help business leaders simplify, focus, and grow. Our programs are built for CEOs and leadership teams who want measurable results, not just theory. Every program we offer is designed to drive profitable growth, eliminate complexity, and help you earn the right to grow. Let me walk you through what we offer. First, our flagship program, the Profitable Growth Accelerator. This is a 100-day data-driven transformation built for CEOs and leadership teams. We work side by side with you to identify the 20% of your customers, products, and activities that drive 80% of your results, and then redeploy your resources to scale profitably. It's fast, it's focused, and it delivers measurable EBITDA improvements within the 100 days. Next, we offer the Earn the Right to Grow diagnostic. This is where many leaders will start so they can get a deep understanding of the impact on their company of doing the PGA. It's a rapid 2-week assessment that gives you a data-driven picture of your company's growth and readiness. You'll see where profit is made and where it's lost, and what's holding you back, all summarized in a concise, actionable report. It's the perfect entry point before stepping into a full transformation. For leaders ready for a full partnership, we offer the Command Center. This is our 1-year engagement for CEOs who want to build lasting systems for profitable growth. It combines strategic planning, execution discipline, and ongoing advisory, all tied to your P&L results. Think of it as your external operating system for clarity, focus, and growth. We also offer a suite of focus programs that target specific performance levers inside of your business. For example, the Margin Multiplier unlocks pricing power, expands margins by 200 to 500 basis points in under 100 days. The Resource Activation Blueprint, or RAB as we call it, it's a zero-up methodology that right-sizes SG&A and redeploys cost into growth. Execution Made Simple, or EMS. This helps leadership teams translate strategy into disciplined execution across every function. The Rainmaker Academy. This is our sales training that turns your team into a disciplined, high-performance growth engine. There's a Profit Advisor certification. This trains your experienced executives inside of your own company to deliver 80/20 advisory and coaching using our methodology. This makes sure it sticks in your company. Each program stands alone, but together they form a complete system, what we call the Profitable Growth Operating System. Our programs are built for CEOs, founders, and leadership teams in manufacturing, distribution, and service companies, typically from 10 million to over $1 billion in revenue. We work directly with the people who make the decisions and own the outcomes. The 80/20 Institute exists to help leaders multiply results with less effort, whether you're looking for a fast diagnostic, a 100-day transformation, or a 4-year partnership. We have a proven path to profitable growth. Take command, drive profitable growth, earn the right to win.